Happy New Year, Joe.
Oh,
Are you okay?
I think I drank too much last night.
Yep. In this video, we're going to talk about New Year's resolutions, and we're going to look at the language that you can use to talk about future plans and intentions. This video is accompanied by a PDF which you can download. You can find the PDF in the description to the video.
Oh. This is it, Matt. I'm never drinking again.
Are you sure about that?
100%. I don't want to feel like this again, man.
It's not the first time you've said that, Joe. Maybe, instead of making rash pledges, you should think about making some more general, positive changes to your life.
What are you talking about, Matt?
It's the perfect time to make some New Year's resolutions.
What?
Don't worry, I've made an explainer video. Pay attention, Joe. I said pay attention. Happy New Year. Each year, people around the world celebrate the start of a new year, and many of them make New Year's resolutions. But what exactly is a New Year's resolution? It's a promise you make to yourself, something you want to start, stop, or improve in the new year. And we often use some helpful grammar structures to express these promises. A common way to express resolutions is by using the phrase "I'm going to" or "I'm planning to." This focuses on things you've already decided to do. For example, I'm going to exercise more, or I'm planning to eat healthier this year. You can also use "I want to" or "I hope to" if it's something you're not completely certain about but you'd like to achieve. So you might say, "I want to learn a new language," or "I hope to save more money this year." These show your goals or wishes. If you're feeling really determined, you can use "I will" to make a firm promise or commitment. "I will keep in touch with my family more often," or "I will quit smoking." This structure shows strong intention. People make New Year's resolutions to try to improve their lives, even if it's just a small change. It's about looking forward with goals in mind. Do people always keep their resolutions? Well, not always, but it's the thought that counts. And remember, whether you say "I want to," "I'm going to," or "I will," it's all about progress, not perfection.
When did you make this?
Back in June, I think. I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
Matt,
Yes.
this is a bit weird.
Oh. I thought it would be inspirational.
Not really. What's up?
Well, it's just that I spent quite a long time making that video, and I thought you might jump into action and make a list or something like that.
Like in a montage?
Yeah.
It would be pretty cool. Okay. Where's my pencil, baby?
Waiting for you on the table.
Okay. Let's do this.
Okay, this is boring. Have you finished?
It was your idea.
Have you finished or not?
Well, I don't know. I've written a few resolutions. So, how do you want to do this?
Just start reading them one by one.
This year, I'm going to become fluent in Japanese. What's wrong with Japanese?
Nothing. It's a beautiful language, but you're quite lazy when it comes to studying. Why don't you make it a bit less ambitious?
Yeah, maybe you're right. How about this though? I'll watch a film in Japanese every week. With subtitles.
That seems a bit more realistic. What's next?
I will give up smoking.
But you don't smoke.
I think I might have started last night.
Yeah, you should probably stop that. Okay, what else have you got on your list?
I'm planning on going to the gym every day.
Every day?
Every week. I'll go once and see if I like it.
Good idea. Now, what about your professional life? Are there any things you would like to achieve this year?
Of course. This year, I want to become a rock star.
Anything else?
Aren't you going to ask me about becoming a rock star?
Are you still drunk?
Yeah. But don't worry, this year I will stop drinking.
Are you sure?
Like 1,000%. When has anyone ever failed to complete a New Year's resolution?
Happy New Year, Joe.
Arigato.